Hey guys, today on GReviewz we're going to be taking out the front differential. We're going to be replacing the front diff fluid, and it's super easy. I'm just going to show you. This is going to be a pretty quick video. Hey guys, so again, just got the Xmaxx. I went ahead and the last video I replaced the center diff fluid with the 20 million to distribute the power evenly, and then I also put 50,000 weight in the rear diff. The front diff I haven't actually taken apart yet, but when I stop real fast it kind of makes a clicking sound. So I'm figuring there might be something either wrong with the front diff or I just need to replace the fluid. But anyway, today I'm just going to show you how to take it out. It's super easy, it's very quick. Compared to the rear one, it's actually very easy. So all we're going to do is take out the two screws there that hold the bumper on. So basically that'll be able to get the bumper out of the way. And then we're going to loosen up this front skid plate with a few screws down here, and then we're going to be able to just take off that front diff cover, which is a few screws right there. So let's go ahead and start that process. Alright, so that gets that out of the way, and then as you can see right there, you won't be able to access, there's one screw right here. You won't be able to access that screw without taking the skid plate off or just basically removing those couple screws. Put that in our magnetic holder here. And honestly, taking the tires off makes it a lot easier, but I'm just not even gonna bother. In the manual they said you didn't have to take a skid plate off, but I kind of think you do, so anyway, alright. So that's the skid plate off. So now we have full access to the front diff, as you can see. So now we're just going to take off, there's 4 screws, there's 1 here, and then there's 2 here and 2 there. There we go. So let's see what we got. I'm expecting maybe a little bit of damage, or I'm not really sure. Maybe a tooth is gone. Alright. So I think it's right. They're right in here. The teeth are pretty tall except for like these 2 teeth. So if I ever stop right on that section of gear right there, it's gonna basically click on me, or it's gonna basically feel like there's teeth being skipped. So that's really that, guys. I mean, all I really gotta do is replace this gear right here, and that'll fix my problem. But in order to get into the diff, you just unscrew those 4 screws, and you'll be able to put your new diff fluid in there. Yeah, you put it back in there, and we're good to go. But so that was my problem. I'm glad I found that. I'm not sure again how this guy managed to do that. I don't know what kind of abuse. I mean, there's literally a bunch of pieces of like metal in this diff cover. So anyway, please give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and if you would, please subscribe for more great content. But other than that, I mean, that's it, guys. That's all I had for this video. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to disassemble that front cap there. I'm going to go ahead and clean this out real well, and I'm going to replace that one diff gear. But other than that, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.